Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make honey buffalo wings. First, wash and prep your meat. Now it's time to season your chicken. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of onion paste, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and mix everything well. Now bake your chicken at 190 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Make sure to turn your chicken halfway through. It's time to make the sauce. Place a pan over low heat. Now add 1 cup of hot sauce, a 1/4 cup of honey, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Bring it to a boil and stir. When your wings are done, take them out of the oven. Pour the hot sauce over the wings. Garnish with some spring onions. And there you go.